Hello children, today just I am continuing my class perimeter and area. We finished perimeter and area which is belongings to polygons like rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, squares, etc. But now here in this class, in this exercise, in next exercise, what we are going to learn means how we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter in the sense of for the circles, perimeter is nothing but circumference. I already told you people, and area of a circle. Circles, the perimeter is nothing but in the sense of for the circles we just call perimeter as a circumference, correct? The circumference of a circle. In our last class only we already discussed that circumference of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. 2 pi r. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Pi is constant. R is nothing but radius of a circle. Pi is constant, 2 is already 2 is constant, we are all know, and pi is constant and the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. 22 by 7 or 3.14. In mathematics we have different size theta, penta, like that. There different symbols are there for each constant. For each constant, we will give different values. Here for the what is the value of pi means 22 by 7, or in decimal we can take it as 3.14. Circumference is nothing but perimeter. Perimeter of a circle. Circumference is nothing but perimeter of a circle. And then area. What is the area of a circle? I already told you people, area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square. R is nothing but radius of a circle. R is nothing but radius of a circle. Pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. You have to be keep it in your mind, the diameter. What is diameter? What is diameter? If it is a circle, this all is area. I am telling people. This all is area. Enidu area, and the boundary, total boundary length is circumference. Circumference. And this one is the center point, which is in equidistance from all the points is center point. And center of a circle, this equidistance is known as radius. We all know equidistance is nothing but radius, and diameter, the chord which is passing through the center of a circle. The chord which is passing through the center of a circle. The chord which is passing through the center of a circle is nothing but diameter. Diameter. Okay, here the in geometry we learned the definition of diameter like that. What is the chord? The chord which is passing through the center of a circle is nothing but diameter. Here when we are doing the problems, we have to keep one thing in your mind. Just if you see this one, you can understand that radius is half. Correct? Radius is this much only, and this is diameter. Radius is 2 times. Radius, diameter is half of a diameter. Sorry. Diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. 2 times of radius, that is equals to 2 into r. 2 into r. Correct? Diameter is equals to 2 into r. We can call this one as radius. Correct? We can call every number of infinite radius will come by one circle. This one is one radius. Correct? This one is one radius. This is having equal length. Correct? R plus R, 2R. Correct? R plus R, 2R. Correct? Diameter is nothing but just in the formulas in the starting when I give the notes, in the starting I make you to write some formulas na. There you have to write diameter equals to 2 into radius, 2 times of radius. Okay children, before going to exercise, just I am doing two example problems, then you can know how to do. Okay, first question. What is, example questions, what is the circumference, what is the circumference of a circular disc? What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeters? Here what they are asking, they are giving, this is related for the circle, circumference they are giving, that's why it is related to circles concept. What is the circumference? Circumference is nothing but perimeter you have to find here. Circumference means perimeter you have to find here. Perimeter of a circular disc. Circular disc means one circular disc, you all know what is circular disc. The perimeter of a, that means the circumference of a circular disc we have to find, where the radius they are giving, that is 40 centimeters. What it is? 40 centimeters. Solution you have to write. First, whatever the given things, you have to write them firstly. Given the radius of a circular disc. What is the radius of a circular disc? 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. And then what we have to find now? Circumference. Circumference of a circular disc. What is the formula to find the circumference of a circle when we know radius? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. What is the formula to find the circumference of a circle when we know the radius? 2 pi r. Okay children. Next, therefore, circumference of a circular disc C equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. This is the formula. You have to learn them. How we are doing 2 into L plus B, 4 into S, like that. Just for circles, perimeter. To find the perimeter, 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. Correct? 14 is, this is the value of pi, and r is the value of radius. 3. R is nothing but radius, and this value is 14. 1s are 2s are. 2 22s are 44. 44 into 2, 88 centimeters. 88 centimeters. What is the circumference of a circle? 88 centimeters. Okay, next question. Next also take one example. Find the area of a circle find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeters, where pi equals to 3.14. Just you have to write since means given, correct? Since radius of a circle, r equals to 30 centimeters. Since radius of a circle r equals to 30 centimeters. What we have to find? Area. Therefore, area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? A equals to, we have a formula to find the area of a circle as pi r square. What is the formula? pi r square. Pi r square. We know that. What is the value of pi? 3.14. 3.14. And then in the value in the place of pi you have to apply 3.14 into 30 whole square. 3.14 into 3 3s are 900. 900. Correct? And then just I am multiplying. 9 4s are 36. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 3 12. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 28. 28. Here the point will come. Therefore, the area of a circle with radius 30 centimeters is 2826 centimeters. Okay, just move on to the exercise now. Before going to the exercise, just I am keeping in my mind the area of a circle as pi r square and circumference as 2 pi r and diameter as 2 into r and diameter as 2 into r. If you know these three formulas means just you can solve all the problems in the exercise. Okay, move on to the exercise number 11.3. Exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. Find the circumference. Circumference means what? Circumference is nothing but perimeter. Perimeter of a circle. Circumference of the circles with the following radius. With the following radius. Okay, there are three questions. Just I will do two. You have to do other. Okay. First question. What they are giving? 14 centimeters as 14 centimeters as radius. Given. What you have to write? Given. Solution given. The radius of a circle. What is the radius of a circle? R equals to 14 centimeters. What you have to find? Circumference. Therefore, circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle. C equals to, we all know what is the formula? 2 pi r. What is the formula? 2 pi r. 2 into pi into r. 2 you have to write like that only, and the pi 3.14 into, otherwise just write 22/7 into 14 centimeters. Ones are, twos are. Correct? 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 2, 88 centimeter. In example problem, what we did? The same problem here that they have given. Correct? Okay, next. 28 mm. 28 millimeter. Given, what you have to write? Given the radius of circle r equals to 28 millimeter. You have to find circumference. What you have to find? Circumference of circles equals to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the value of R? 28. Ones are fours are. Correct? Ones are fours are. 22 into 4, 88. 88 into 2, 88 into 2, 88 in rough column. 88 into 2, 60, 176. 176 centimeter. Millimeter. What is the circumference of the circle? If the radius is 28 mm means 176 millimeter. And then in the next question, see, I think you can do that, people. 21 centimeters. Just you have to do it for homework. Second question. Find the area of a circle. Find the area of a circle given that radius equals to 140 mm. Radius equals to 40 millimeter. Correct? What is the formula to find area of a circle? Pi r square. Just you have to keep it in your mind. Given radius of the radius of a circle r equals to 40 millimeter. Correct? 40 millimeter. And then what you have to find? Area. What you have to find? Area of a circle. A equals to pi r square. Correct? Pi r square. We all know what is the value of pi. 22 by 7 into 40 whole square. 40. We all know what is the meaning of square. If 2 square we write under 2 into 2. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3. Here what it is? 14 square. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Ones are twos are. Ones are twos are. Now what it will be? 44 into 14. 44 into 14. And now 14 fours are? What is 14 fours are? 616. What is here? 14 fours are 56. 14 fours are 56 and then 14 fours are 56. 56 plus 1, 61. Here what you have to write? How we will mention? Here mm square. Meters you have to take it in square units. Meters you have to take in square units. Next question is radius as, B question I will do. Diameter. They are giving diameter D equals to 49 m. If they give diameter means what is the formula to find? Just we can find diameter. If they give, we can find radius. Correct? We know that given diameter of a circle D equals to 49 meters. D equals to 49 meters. But according to our wish, according to what we have known, what is the diameter? 2 into r. What is the diameter? 2 into r. R is nothing but radius of a circle. 49 m, correct? R equals to 49 by 2 m. 49 by 2 m. And therefore, what is the radius? Therefore, radius of a circle R equals to 49 by 2 m. R equals to 49 by 2 meters. And then what they are asking us to find? Area. What they are asking us to find? Area. Area of a circle. Area of a circle A equals to pi r square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square means 49 by 2 whole square. R square means 49 by 2 whole square. Okay, if you cancel this one means 1s are 2s are 4s are 0.5. Okay. 22 by 7 into 2.5 whole square. Okay. Okay. Already I did people. 24.5 whole square 100. 24.5 into 24.5 you have to do. Okay. 24.5 into, already I did that one, and that value is 600.25. 600. A equals to 22 by 7 into 24.5 whole square. What is the value? Already did this people. 24.5 into 24.5. It will results to 600.25. 22 by 7 into 600.25. And if you take the cancellation means 1s are here. 8s are 7, 8s are 56, 40. 40 is there 5. 5. 32. 32 means 4. Correct. And then 22 into 85.7. Okay. 22 into 85.7. If you do these people, you will get the answer as 5 centimeter square. Okay, area, this one is area, that's why I am keeping the units as centimeter square. If you do this calculation, we can't do more problems in this class, that's why just I am putting the answer. Okay, you have to do that one. If you have any doubt, just do that one. Here what they have given, first diameter they have given. Just by using the diameter I find the radius, and we know that how to find the area of a circle if we know radius alla. That's why I put the formula pi r square, and I substitute the r value in this formula. What is the r value we got there? That is 24.5 or 49 by 2. Correct? That I substituted and I reduced and I solved that formula and I got the answer. Okay, next question. C question. Radius equals to 5 centimeter. Given, what is the radius? 5 centimeters. Area, you have to find the area. Formula is pi r square. Formula is pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into pi whole square. What is the pi square? 5 into 5 is 25. Ones are 25. 3 point. Ones are 3 point. Otherwise just I will do Oh no, just like that also you can do 3.4 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 5 like that it will come, correct? And then 77. Answer is 77 point something, the answer will come, okay? Otherwise, if you do the full calculation means here 5 is a 35, correct? Correct. 3 is a 21, 40, correct? 40, 5 is a 35, 5, 50, and then 50 bandre, where 7 6 are, 7 6 are 42, like that it will go on, okay? Like that it will go on, you have to multiply these two and then you can get the answer as 78.57, okay? If you multiply these two, then we will get 78.57. Next, move on to the next problem, children. Third one. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Also find the area of the sheet. Here what they are given? Just they are giving circumference of a circular sheet. What they are giving? Circumference of a circular sheet. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r value they are giving. By using 2 pi r value, we can find r radius, that is nothing but radius. And if you know the radius of a circular sheet, then we can find the area of that, correct people? That only you have to do this. Given circumference of a circular sheet, circumference of a circular sheet equals to 154 meters, 154 meters, okay? And then we know that circumference of a circle is equals to, we know that circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r. We know that circumference of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. Therefore, these two values are getting equal. This is also circumference of a circle. This is also circumference of a circle. That's why just I am equating these two. Therefore, 2 pi r. Here you have to write r equals to radius. Here you have to write r equals to radius. 2 pi r equals to 154 meters. 154 meters. Here what is the value? What is the pi value? We all know that pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7. In fractional, 22 by 7. In decimal is 3.14. 3.14. 2 into 22 by 7 into or we don't know, that only we are going to find here 154 m, correct? And then this is in LHS. If we go to transfer it to RHS means 154 into 1 by 2, This is in LHS. Just we have to take the reciprocal when it goes to RHS. Correct? This is R. 11 2s are 11 14s are. Correct? 1s are 7s are. 7s are. Correct? Next we will get 49 by 2. What is 49 by 2? 24.5. 1s are 24.5 m. Correct? Okay, therefore we got radius. Correct? Therefore, radius of a circular sheet. Radius of a circular sheet R equals to 24.5 meters. 24.5 meters. Here we know the radius of a circular sheet. Then we can find the radius of area of a circle. Correct? Therefore, area of a circular sheet A equals to pi r square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square means 24.5 whole square. 24.5 whole square. Correct? 24.5 whole square. Otherwise, you can write there 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Correct? And then if you do these all calculation directly, I am putting the answer. I am putting answer here, children. Just if you do the calculation, whole calculation, then you will get the answer as 1886.5 square meters. Just you have to do all the calculations, children. Okay. And then just move on to the next question. What in the question they have given? They have given circumference of a circle. They have given by using the circumference of a circle. According to our wish, what we know what the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r equals to 154 meters. 2 pi r equals to 154 meters. 2 into the value of each value we are writing. By simplifying this, then we will get the value of r as 24.5. Just I am substituting the value of r in area of a circle because they are asking us to find the area of a circular sheet also. Area of a circular sheet A equals to pi r square. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into 24.5 whole square. This is if you simplify these all, then you will get the answer as 1886.5 square meters. Okay. Just I am moving to the next question, people. Fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a garden of diameter 21. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of a rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Okay, children, see here what they have given means just one circular garden is there. Its diameter is nothing but 21 meters. What one circular garden is there? Its diameter is 21 meters, and then he used to fence this garden with the rope. Okay, by using one rope he used to fence that, but to fence this circular model he needs 2 rounds. Okay, by that length rope, just he wanted to fence these for 2 times. One sari alla, every sari he wants to fence. Okay. Find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees. Find the cost of the rope. Just we want to purchase one rope alla to fence this. We have to find the cost of that rope. 2 times rope. Correct? 2 times rope. If it costs if it costs rupees 4 per meter. If it costs rupees 4 per meter. Here simply they are giving one circular garden they are taking, and diameter of the circular garden is they are giving. If they give circular garden diameter means you can find R. Correct? D they are giving. D is nothing but 2 times of R. If they give the diameter, then we can find R. Correct? Just we have to find R, and then what they are asking? They are asking to they wanted to purchase one rope. They wanted to purchase one rope, and the length of the rope, the cost of the rope is rupees 4 per meter, and they wanted to fence the circular garden 2 rounds. By using that circular rope, we have to find how much of cost it will take if you want to fence this circular garden. Okay. When already I told you people, when we are going to find the fencing of each thing, whatever it may be, rectangle or triangle, square, what we have to take? Just we have to take perimeter. Fencing use adaga perimeter. Correct? Filling. Correct? Fencing use ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ perimeter, filling, tiling ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ you have to take area. Correct children? Just here you have to write given the diameter of a circular garden. The diameter of a circular garden D equals to 21 meters. D equals to 21 meters. You can find the radius. Therefore, radius of a circular garden. What is the radius of a circular garden? R equals to D by 2, half of a diameter. Otherwise you can write here only, you can write 2R equals to, like that also you can take. Otherwise you can write like this, 21 by 2m. 21 by 2m, that is nothing but 10.5 meters. 10.5 meters. Okay, or we find what we have to find now, area or circumference to find the fencing. Just correct people, circumference. Circumference of a circle C equals to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5. Okay, 10.5. 44 into 10.5. 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4. 4 20. 2 6 4. Here we will put point. 462.2 by 7. Circumference is this one. Sorry, here not. Okay. Okay, children. And then just we have to take the cancellation. 7 1s are 7 6 are 42. 66. 60. Circumference ಏನಾಯಿತು 66 m. 66 meters. 66 meters. Okay. How many times it has to take the fence? 2 times. Correct? 2 times it has to take the fence. That wise you have to. So, given that to fence the circular garden or garden, you can write, to fence the garden we need length of rope equals to 2 times of its circumference. 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 2 into 66 meters. 2 into 66 means 2 6 are 12. 132 m. Correct? Correct, children? Which length we have to need? 132 meters. Cost of 1 meter rope. Since cost of 1 meter rope is rupees 4. Cost of 1 meter rope is 4 rupees. We have to find the cost of fencing for 132 meters, that is equals to 4 into 130. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 4, 5. Therefore, the cost of fencing is 532. Therefore, you have to write, therefore, the cost of fencing the circular garden is rupees 528. 528. What they have given? Just they have given diameter of a circular garden. First of all, they have given by using the diameter. Just here we finding radius we find here. After that circumference, if you know the radius andre, just we can find the circumference. That's why I am finding the circumference. I find the circumference as 66 meters. Here logically one technical point they have given in the question, that is to fence the circle we need 2 times of a circumference. 2 times we have to fence the garden. That's why we need 2 times of its circumference. Length of the rope is 2 times of its circumference. That only I am writing here. Just no need, confusion irbardu anta. That also I mentioned here. That after that 2 into 66 m, that is 132 m. Just they are giving what is the cost for 1 meter. Also they are giving what is the cost is 4 rupees. By knowing that one, we can find the cost of fencing for 132 meters, that is 4 into 132. What is 4 into 132? 528. 528. Okay, next question, children. Fifth question. Fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeters, a circle of radius 3 centimeters is removed. Find the remaining, find the remaining sheet. What they are telling? One circular sheet is there. One circular sheet is there. One circular sheet is there with one circular sheet is there. Okay. One circular sheet is there with radius 4 centimeters. With radius 4 centimeters. What they are telling? Just we are removing the circle with 3 centimeters of radius. With 3 centimeters. Just we are removing the circle with 3 centimeters of radius. Okay, that means just we are removing it. That means just we are removing this one. Correct? What they are asking, we have to find remaining part of a circle. We have to find remaining. We have to find remaining part of a circle. We have to find remaining part of a circle. Okay children, we can find the area of a circle with 4 centimeters as radius, and also we can find the area of a circle with 3 centimeters as radius. Just to have to find the each areas separately, and you have to take the difference between these two areas, then we will get the shaded part. This shaded part area you can find. Correct? Okay children, write down. Radius, since radius of a circular sheet. Just I am taking to show the difference. I am taking this one as R, capital R. Okay. Radius of a circular sheet R equals to 4 centimeters. R equals to 4 centimeters, and then if you know, then you can find the area of a circular sheet. Pi R square. Pi R square, 22 by 7 into 4 whole square. 4 whole square is 22 into 16 by 7. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 16 2s are 32 plus 3 by 7. 352 divided by 7. Let it be in the fractional part only, then the calculation will be easy there. Okay, since, and also we know that radius of a, since, we have to write since, radius of a circular sheet which is removed, small r I am taking here, r equals to 3 centimeters. If you know the radius means, then we can find the area of a circular sheet which is removed. A equals to pi small r square. Okay, pi r square, that is equals to 22 by 7 into 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. 180 by 7 centimeters square. Just we have to take this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Therefore, the area of remaining, part equals to pi r square minus pi r square, that is equals to a1 equation 1 minus equation 2. What is pi r square? 352 by 7 minus 198 by 7 by 7. Okay, what is the difference between these two? 1, 9, 8, 12, 4, 5, 1. 154 by 7. 1s are 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter square. Lastly, you have to write so remaining area in a sheet is equals to 22 square centimeter. 22 square centimeter. Okay children, what I have did in the question is, first they have given one circle with radius 4 centimeter, another circle with radius 3 centimeters, correct? Just I am finding the radius of each circle individually, and then just I am taking the difference between these two circles, and then I am getting the answer as 22 centimeter square. 22 centimeter square. Okay, thank you children.